Good morning, good afternoon, everyone, or whenever you're watching this video. I hope you're doing okay. Person behind on the computer watching this, or on your phone, or whatever you're watching it on. But yeah, because we're doing good, and we should all be doing good. But anyways, let's get down to this video. So today we're installing an exhaust, just an axleback, just kind of open her up a little bit because it is kind of quiet, and driving this car is kind of boring. Other than the turbo kicking in and stuff, it's sort of boring because there's no exhaust note in the back. Can't hear yourself go down the road, so this should open her up and hopefully sound really good. I don't know, I haven't heard a WX in person, so let's just say how she sounds. All right guys, well here they are outside of the box, and damn, do they look remarkable. Sheesh. Get it? Remarkable. But anyways, yeah, let's go ahead and throw these on and see how they look on the car and how they sound. I think they're gonna look sick because it is a 4-inch tips, so, and they're stainless steel, so I didn't roll with no burnt tip or anything. And this is stainless steel, so yeah. So let's just go ahead and throw them on and see how she sounds, because right now you are way too quiet and we need to open you up. All right, so let me just open it up, get these suckers off and put these new ones on. It comes with everything, so yeah. And I'm definitely going to be using this tool this time. It's a exhaust hanger removal tool, and it helps you remove the stock exhaust off your car without stressing too much or using too much anything that you need, like PB blast or anything. You just literally, this will take them off. So got this at Advanced Auto Parts. It was local to me, so I got it today. Thank goodness they had one in stock, and I was able to pick it up, because then I'll have to wait to put this on, or just throw it on either way. Just struggle with it like everybody else does. But anyways, yeah, let's go ahead and lift up the car and then show you guys how it sounds afterwards. All right, let's go ahead and remove these nuts right here, 14. Sheesh. That was crazy easy, guys. Nah, I can't get the tool out. Oh, there we go. God, definitely a tool to be recommended. Oh, sheesh. That was fast. Oh, man. That was quick, guys. Definitely recommend that tool. Oh shit, that was freaking. Without this tool, I would have been here for like at least 10 minutes trying to get this off. I'm not trying to say anything, but damn. Yep. Freaking tool. Super easy tool, guys. That tool removal kit was the shitsnits. Definitely recommend picking one up. Now I'm gonna put the new one on. Get this on over here. And then get this one on over here. There we go. Right side. I'm just gonna hand tie it for now, then I'll torque it later. All right, let me see if I start from this side first and then make my way. Okay. in there, buddy. I should have used my quick jacks, but I don't think I needed them. It would probably took way longer. Quick jacks are good for like an overall kind of install, you know. But you can just use a jack and some jack stands. It's easy. There we go. All right, guys. Damn. Or I must say, they look good. And they stick out good. Well, this side sticks out a little bit more than this side. I could probably fix that. But overall, sheesh. They look good. They're pretty level. I don't think I need to do too much adjustments, as you can see. And yeah, easy install, guys. Yeah, let me just let me have this one stick out a little bit more. Kind of like how this one's sticking out. So let me see if I can fix this one. But overall, let me just do that. That tool right there, guys. Oh man, it saved me so much time. So much time. Yeah, literally just slipped right out, like as if they were like not even stuck on there. And plus it's a new car, so obviously, but I'm just saying, without it, I think I would have been yanking and pulling for a good 5 minutes. But yeah, damn, those are the old stock ones. See how these ones have the mufflers? Those ones are just straight through pipe. So yeah, let me fix that side, get it a little bit more pushed out this way, and then we'll start her up, see how she sounds. Let's go ahead and turn her on and see how she sounds. Yep. It's really quiet when it's idle. You can't even hear it. Let's see how I fix the tips. Now they're both sticking out pretty good. So yeah, I'm happy. Let's go ahead and take her for a drive and see how she sounds. kid is a natural at getting these pops out. Oh man. Let's hit again, Colton. Do your thing. This kid. Oh, that's funny. Alright. Well, there you have it, guys. Alright, well, there you guys have it. This is the Remark exhaust. I'm pretty sure with any exhaust that you put on the car, it gives it nice pops. You don't even have to try. So that's pretty cool. I mean, overall, I like the pipes, though. Sheesh. They were way bigger than the stocks. Look at that. Damn. And I don't have to do any adjustments because they pretty much fit perfectly. Oh, I did have to do that side. Never mind. I did have to stick them out a little bit more. But now they're even, so they look sick. So next up for this car, I need to lower it and some wheels. And I need fender matching fenders, whatever, paint match fenders. Oh yeah. Alright guys. Well, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.